What's up, you guys? Today, I got something in the mail that I'm super excited about. I got another Insta360 camera. So, let's get in and have a look at this one. It's a little bit different than the other one. All right. Gonna do this one-handed without cutting myself. Let's see. Yes. It's a box. Yeah. He likes to come over and sniff at every box that I pick up. So I picked up a whole bunch of stuff here. Let's just get it all out. Wow. So I got some extra lens guards for my other camera that I'm recording on with right now, because mine got all scuffed up and I needed to replace them. So I got two of those. The premium lens guards I got to try. Lens cap. Screen protector. Two screen protectors. Huh. I guess I ordered two. Or they gave me two, one or the other. I got the thermal grip cover for, this is for recording when you have low wind and you're not moving a lot. It helps regulate the heat. And we got the Insta360 BMW Motorrad edition, which I'm stoked about because there's a couple little extra features on this that I'm excited to play around with. We got motorcycle clamps for the selfie pole, so it gives you a little more stability when you're riding with the selfie stick. And we got another box here. Let's take a look. This one, I got another selfie stick. A chest clamp, and the motorcycle bundle. So all this to set up and go through. Yes, hi kitty. This is Vader. Yeah. He's 9 months. Sorry, 10 months now. He's 10 months old. He's my new Maine Coon kitten. And he loves to explore everything. Alright, let's get into the BMW box here. Watch out, kitty. I got sharp things. Yes, I know everything must be explored, right? Everything must be explored, including this world. So maybe we might take him on some adventures. What do you think? Do you want to see him come along with some adventures with me? Oh, I hate this plastic. Come on. Okay. There we go. Yes, no, that's not a toy. So let's see what we got here. We got the 360 all wrapped up. Let's see what's in here. Silica gel packet. BMW coveted case, USB cable. Oh, thermal grip cover. Oh, it came with a thermal grip cover. Oh, well, I guess I got two now. Gee. And of course, you got the microfiber cloth, USB-C to C cable. All right. Let's take a look. English. Definitely want to select English. Please download the app in the App Store. Blah, 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 blah. Yep. Oh, I need my cell phone. Hold on. Be right back. All right, let's see. Here we go. Connect. Connecting to a different device. Of course, because I've got two X4s, so it sees both, but we got wow, connect. Update. So we're just waiting for this to update now. I had to turn my camera off because I wanted to try and connect to this camera through the app, so I had to turn it off to be able to update the new camera. So we're just going to wait for that to update, and we'll check back in a minute. So while this is updating, I'll show you how the lens guards go on here. It's actually quite simple. Peel these off. Take these out of the package. So that's what they look like. These have a little blue dot on the bottom here. You want it to line up with this little dot right here. Let's make sure the cat hair is off of it. So when you line them up, I like to put the blue dot at about the 4 o'clock position, and then they just, yeah, I put it in about the kind of 4 o'clock position, and then rotate it, and it just kind of clicks into place, like so. Take the other one. Find the blue dot. Line them up and rotate. Come on. There we go. Yeah, just like that. Now the standard lens guards are on there. And I noticed the thermal cover is actually labeled with BMW Motorrad on it as well, which is kind of a nice little touch. So that just clicks onto the back side of the camera like so. Cats. can never get any peace and quiet to make a video. I always gotta always gotta be making noise and fighting. Update successful. Let's see. Next. Okay. Activate. Register now. So it's telling me to install the lens guards. After installing lens guards, please make sure you turn on. Right. Got it. Now, here's the lens guard thingy. So if you click where it says auto, standard lens guards, shooting parameters, let's go auto. $4K. Yep. Done. So we're all set up. So we got our shutter button, customize button, our power button. Yep. All right. So with the quick action button, you can set it up so you can access this preset page, shooting modes, take photo or record, or select one of the following options. You know, it gives you an options of what you want to preset that button to do. You can also do the same thing with the menu button down here. So you can have it switch shooting modes, take photos, switch to single lens or 360. That's what I have set to, because sometimes I like to switch between the two video modes or shooting modes. Yeah, that's the new 360. Done. So since we're getting this set up, I figured now would be also a good time to put the screen protector on. And these are actually super easy to put on. So it comes with instructions on how to put it together, or put it on anyways. So I'm gonna take this off. I have to pop off the heat guard. Peel off the factory screen protector. We'll take this little battery sticker off. We'll put on our alignment tool. This also comes with little wipes and a little drying cloth and a screen wipe. It does come with a little sticky dust remover as well, so if you get little bits of dust and things, you can use that to take off any dust. So let's just give this a quick little clean. Okay. Take out our screen protector. You gotta peel off the sticky backing. And then you carefully put this down. Drop that down. And we take our little squeegee. I like to push from the center out as best as we can and work out as many bubbles as you can get out. And keep pushing towards one edge. And keep pushing it down. Pushing. There's always one bubble that doesn't want to go away. There. Just like that. And just in time for the kitty to show up so he doesn't get all covered in cat hair. Yeah. So, worked out all the bubbles and we're good to go. So in another video, I'm going to go through the motorcycle bundle and show you how I set it up on my motorcycle. Anyways, you guys, that's all I got for today's video. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, leave a comment below. We're going to go on a bunch of adventures together and maybe also bring this little furry guy along for some adventures. So peace out, guys. We'll see you on the next one.